Welcome to Dances with Films.
My name is Sharrod.
My name is Matthew.
And we're going to LA. Hey. DWF, better get ready, okay? The theater's packed, baby. The theater is packed, baby.
Sharrod called me in June or July in the summer, FaceTimed me while I was walking in New York, and he had pitched this web series that he, at the time, was writing and creating. I hopped on board immediately.
I had no idea what I was doing, but I knew that I had something. Neighbors had gotten into many festivals. This particular festival was special because my writing mentor, Erica, was like, this one's pretty cool. You should look into Dances with Films. So I did, and I applied, and months later we got in.
I hadn't been to a film festival, so there was like lots of emotions and lots of anxieties about how to present myself, what to expect.
When we were in the theater on screening day and it started, I remember thinking, okay, nobody here really knows us.
Everybody was just so moved by it. They're like, you guys did such good work. It feels really good.
I think the biggest takeaway from the Dances with Films Festival was that I have to keep going. Guys, I made it to Hollywood.